Today I'm taking you guys through a week of me preparing for my trip to Atlanta. We're doing everything from nails, toes, eyelashes, shaving, shopping, packing. It's been a jam-packed week, so let's get into this. I also forgot to film an intro to this video, so we're jumping straight into a montage of me at the mall. I hope you guys enjoy. I'm in Little Burgundy. We did a lot of shopping. Sorry I didn't film as much. I kind of forgot. I kind of got distracted by all the sales, but we're in Little Burgundy. I'm about to look at these New Balances. I have a pair already, but I really want to try out these other ones, and then they can go with my little airport outfits. But I don't know if this purchase is smart, but we're not thinking smartly right now anyway, so it doesn't matter. Okay, good morning. It is the next day. Actually, it's a couple days since we went shopping at the mall. There's actually a shortage of Wi-Fi everywhere in Canada that day, so it was really hard to shop, so that's why I didn't like film that much. But I'll give you guys a haul later, but we're currently in a rush. We have like less than 40 minutes to leave the house for my nails and toes appointment. I haven't gotten my toes done in years, like probably since my grade graduation, which I know it's so bad because I'm literally in university, but like I don't like having my toes out, okay? Like that's just not fun. So I haven't done my toes, you know. I've just been like letting them hibernate, but now it's time to kind of let them back out into the public, so I'm getting them done because they're like fine, but like they need to look cuter than what they're looking like right now. And then my nails, I haven't got them done in like over a year, so it hasn't been that long. Actually, to some people that might be like crazy long, but I usually only do my nails in the summer, so I'm excited to get them done. But my appointment's at 10 and it takes me like probably 30 minutes to get there, so I need to leave soon. That's the plan for today, guys. Getting my nails, toes done, going to the hair store to get all the necessities and essentials. Then I also have to head to like the dollar store or any other store that'll have like those travel size stuff. I got a couple at Shoppers, but they didn't have much, so I need to get a couple more things, and which I'm really excited for because I like shopping. So yeah. Okay guys, I'm finally back home. It changed into some comfy clothes because we're gonna start braiding my hair soon, but I want to give you guys a quick little haul of not only what I bought today but also what I bought at the mall. Anyways, let me show you guys the nails. They're just a basic white with a little silver lining over them. I got the idea from Pinterest. Do you already see the nails, like the nails talk? Because I just got my nails done in over a year, and I'm like, I'm gonna give you guys a little haul because I just got my nails done, so now I'm gonna be talking like this the entire time. So I'm sorry, and did you see that? I'm sorry in advance. Okay, let me give you guys a little haul. Got these sweatpants here, the TNA Cozy Fleece midweight. They're just very long. They scrunch at the bottom, which I like. I kind of wanted ones that didn't scrunch, but like they didn't have the ones that I wanted, so I got these. But like I like ones that scrunch at the bottom too, so it's fine. And then I got, guys, I'm gonna be wearing this hoodie all the time. Like you're gonna get annoyed if you're gonna be like, Tiana, you need to wash the sweater. And I'm gonna be like, yeah, you're right. So good, so comfy. Has a little drawstrings here to pull them tight, and this is the TNA Sweat Fleece Cozy Fleece boyfriend fit. That was a lot of words, but you got the idea. Got that in a large, and that'll be matched with the sweatpants. So I got 2 earrings because I'm wearing like really pretty colorful dresses, and I don't wear colorful dresses or dresses at all really, so I was like, why not get some earrings to match? So I got these little blue ones here. They are literally so cute. They're just gold with a little like blue jewel on the inside. This is a gold hoop with these like little like jewels also as well. And I just got some other boring stuff, but I got some like Colgate toothpaste. I got the Vaseline dry skin repair lotion for like my legs, arms, everything. And then I got some spray on Dove deodorant. Then I got some Dove deep moisturizing body wash. Okay, and then lastly, so exciting, mouthwash. And I decided to splurge even more than I was already splurging when I went to Aritzia, and I decided to get shoes. The shoes was not on the bucket list whatsoever, but I went into Little Burgundy and I found, okay, let me show you. Okay, so I got a new pair of New Balances. I have a pair already, but they're like white with a little bit of green. I'm obsessed with having green in my shoes, and I seen these in the little like store window, and I literally pulled my sister inside the store. I'm not gonna lie, I did buy these just for my airport fit, which is very questionable because this is how you know my shopping addiction is bad. Because imagine this with like the little gray sweater and a little white tank top underneath, like so cute. To Sephora, I got only 2 things. I got the travel size Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray size on my little trip and see how it holds up. I use it today. I'm not gonna lie, my makeup has been like super natural and glowy, and like it doesn't even feel like I'm wearing makeup. It also has to do with the other product that I bought. It's the Hollywood Flawless Filter Foundation. I don't even think it's fully a foundation. It's actually supposed to be put on before you put on the actual foundation. People just use this by itself because it's so natural and glowy and super lightweight, and this is exactly what I need for not only the trip but also this summer. So I'm gonna see if I can fall in love with this more than I love my Rare Beauty foundation, but that might be hard to beat. Okay guys, so this is my little setup. This looks so weird, little pieces of hair on my bed, but this is how I keep it all organized to like quickly grab the hair to add it to my braid. Okay, we are now undoing the hair. First one. That curl is so cute. Okay. Oh, this looks so good. Okay guys, this is the final reveal of the hair. It's all curly and blonde at the bottom, which I am loving. I cannot wait to put it in a little like high, half up, half up, half up, half down type of look. I think that's honestly the style that I'm going to be going for today. I'm really loving this. I miss the blonde. I really did miss it. But anyways, hair done, nails done, toes done. We've done the shopping. All that's left is now the lashes. Pack my bag, which is also a very big important thing. But we're doing that like the day of I leave, so we'll save that for later.
Nothing like your smile in the morning, following the linings on your cheeks. 'Cause baby, in your absence life is boring. So
okay guys, today is the day that we're finally leaving. Well, technically it's tomorrow, but our flight's at 6 a.m. and we're gonna be at the airport at 1 a.m. and I don't plan to sleep between those times. I might do a little nap, but like basically today. And I'm so excited. Here's kind of like a close-up of my lashes. I know I didn't really give you guys like a good look yesterday, so this is what they're looking like. Makeup and everything, I'm really loving them. It's definitely a luxury, but I appreciate a little self-care and pampering for this trip. But anyways, today we still have a couple more things to do. I have to clean up. My room is pretty clean, but I just want to do a couple touch-ups, clean the bathroom, because I don't like coming back home from a trip, my place messy, so I want to clean those 2 rooms before I leave. I also have to go to Post Canada and pick up a package, which is my loafers. I ordered a new pair for this trip and they're actually here on time. And then I also just wanted to check and see if there's maybe a few things that I forgot at Shoppers Drug Mart that I can pick up and get for this trip. Actually, I need to get shaving cream and a shaver because I have not shaved my legs and I need to do that. And then we're gonna come home, clean those 2 rooms, and then we're gonna start packing, which is so exciting. So yeah, I'm all dressed and we're gonna head outside, take a little hot girl walk to the Shoppers Drug Mart. Has finally come to pack my suitcase. I am so excited. I cannot stop smiling. Anyways, I have my suitcase. I'm only bringing a carry-on because we're only there for the weekend, but it's pretty big and I've packed lots of items in here before, so I'm pretty sure that I can fit everything in here. Plus I'm bringing a little personalized item bag. I also bought some organizers from Amazon. I really don't think that I needed these because I don't have like a huge suitcase, but I bought them just to be extra so I can make those cute aesthetic like packing videos. So I have a set of here. This comes with like a makeup bag, toiletry bag, like shoe bag, laundry bag, everything is in here. It's on Amazon. Okay, so before I can even start putting the clothes into the suitcase, I need to figure out what outfits I'm wearing. Like, I have ideas in my mind and I went thrifting for this, but I haven't actually like put together the outfits or try them on to see them in real life, and I'm not going just like seeing them laid out on my bed. I need to actually put them on. So I'm gonna do that. I'm not gonna show you guys fully because I'm vlogging the entire trip, so you'll see all the outfits there, but I'm gonna show you like each piece that I'm bringing so you can kind of get like a good idea of what the vibes are for my trip. We're there for 4 days, but we're only sleeping at the Airbnb for 3 nights, so it's very hot in Atlanta and it's summertime. It's hot here as well, so I'm thinking of packing 3 different shorts, 1 for each night, and then if the AC is like really crazy in there and I'm like too cold, then I have these sweatpants just in case. So I think these are gonna be like my bottoms for sleeping. Now time to get some shirts for these. So for sleeping shirts, I have my Harry Styles Love on Tour shirt. I also have 2 crop tops. We have this little green tank one, it's like knitted, and then I have this like really horribly cropped like white Nike t-shirt that I thrifted. So I feel like those are like 3 really good tops. We have an oversized one, and then we have like more cropped ones to go with the shorts and the sweatpants. Okay, so for dresses, I have this blue one. It drapes in the middle and it's super long. It's a maxi dress. Then I have this like white one. It needs to get ironed, but there's an iron at the Airbnb, so I'm not worried. I have this like blue Free People dress. I have this really pretty red slip dress that I would love to wear to like a dinner or something. I have this long green maxi dress that I've been wanting to wear forever. It's from Princess Polly. I haven't even taken off the tag yet because I've been waiting for the right moment to wear, and I feel like this trip is the best, you know, opportunity. For t-shirts, we have this basic graphic tee. I brought so many white tank tops and t-shirts, like different versions of a white tank top. I brought like 7 pairs because I wear white tank tops with almost every single outfit, and I'm scared that some of them might get dirty, so I just brought like backups for everything basically. So we're like stocked up on white t-shirt. As for bottoms, we have quite a bit. I'm bringing about 8 pairs of like basic white socks. Oh my gosh. And then I have like 2 fuzzy socks that I can wear like as I'm just like chilling and lounging around the Airbnb, because I like having fuzzy socks when I'm at home. Okay, now that all the clothes are just kind of organized and I know what I'm gonna wear, it looks very messy right now, but I'm gonna start putting them into these little cubes and then finally putting them into the suitcase. Okay guys, so I finally finished packing. I decided to bring 3 bags instead of just 2 because I could not fit everything, and I have a lot of outfits, ideas, and plans, and I don't want to like not bring certain stuff. So it's like, you know what, we'll just bring 3 bags. It's whatever. So what we have here is, I have my little pink suitcase here, which is basically the size of a carry-on, but I'm going to consider it like a check-in bag. Then we have my Baboon to the Moon bag. This bag is huge. It carries so much stuff. And then here, this is going to be my bag where I'm going to have like my laptop, my book that I'm reading, which is the final book in the Callaway series. It's a thick one. And then we have my clothes ready to go. This is my little airport outfit. I'm wearing biker shorts underneath my sweatpants, just in case if I get super hot after we get off the airplane, I can just like be in my little biker shorts. So here's my little set, which you guys already seen. My halter top that I'm wearing from Zara. It's really cute and simple. This is my little airport fit. My room is actually pretty clean. Like I cleaned it up so that when I come back, like even my desk, like look at how clean that is. Everything just looks super organized and clean. So I'm happy. All I have to do now is kind of just chill until it's time to make my way into the Uber to head to the airport with my family. So I think I'm just gonna chill for a bit, head into the shower, put on my cute little airport fit, and then get ready to leave around 1 a.m., which is very early. So I'm gonna try and take like a little mini nap, but I think I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you guys so much if you've gotten to the end of this video. I'm really, really excited for my trip, and look out because I'm vlogging every single day that we are in Atlanta, which is for 4 days. So it'll be like 4 different vlogs. I don't know how I'm gonna space it out yet, but I'm vlogging every day on here, TikTok, Instagram. Keep updated with me everywhere. All the links for that will be in the description box down below. But yeah, I'm really excited, and I'll see you guys in Atlanta. Bye.